Bonjour everyone. We have a patient from France today. We did rhinoplasty with rib cartilage graft 1 week ago. I created a definition with rib cartilage graft. As you see, its nose is a little bit flat. She wanted to have some change, but the most important point for us, it must be really natural look, and it must be like a natural and magnificent together. And we raise the bridge part, and also we give some definition to tip. It's very early, very oily skin, so we have a lot of swelling now, but we give some definition with supporting the tip part. When you look before, there is no support here, and now it's very strong. It's strong and natural. So when she smiles, it doesn't go down too much anymore. So also it's not so much upturned. So it gives a very nice side view with raising the bridge. So this is the important point. It's stable, strong, but soft. If a patient wants a natural result, this kind of change looks nice and strong, and long term, it's going to look so much better when the swelling goes down. With oily skin patients, if you take too much skin, in early period, it will create a lot of swelling. If you take too much fat from the skin, it creates a lot of swelling. So we keep that, we take out some part of the fat from here, and also we make some stitches inside to make it strong, stable, and this swelling goes faster. But these surgeries, it takes around 2 years if you ask for like a final outcome. But the important point, it's looking nice, natural, she can breathe good, and especially for the nostrils, we don't make them very narrow, because look at here, if you make it more narrow, it doesn't look nice and natural, and the tip part looks too big. So it must be proportionally balanced with the remaining part of the face. It's very important, especially for ethnic rhinoplasty patients. Yes, we do a lot of change, but after healing, after some period, it must look like we don't do anything to nose. But of course, it's very individual. Some patients want more change, some patients want small change, and we can do between. Those are the key points for natural looking ethnic rhinoplasty. Thank you so much.
Teşekkür ederim.